Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. Pranam Guruji. So my name is Manvi Bansal, and I head corporate social responsibility for a multinational company in India. I'm also an art of living teacher. I've been meditating for since I was literally a kid. So I was introduced to art of living since I think I was 10 or 11 years old. I've always wanted to learn astrology, more so because my sister, my younger sister, she picked up Vedic astrology on her own, and it really kindled my interest because she used to talk about planets and dashas all the time. So it really made me inquisitive about what this entire science is. And one day, I think Devang Bhaiya was at our place one day, and he said, there is a course that I'm joining out, this astrology course. I was like, what astrology course? He's like, yeah, it's starting in one week. Do you want to do it? I said, of course. It's like it's literally the opportunity is being served to me on a platter, and I grabbed it with both my hands. And that was the start of my journey with astrology. And what I've learned over the last 1 month has been incredible because I really thought that I'll get confused in all the complexities of the rules and planets and dasha. So it has the entire the way that you've taught us. It's so simple. Sometimes it's unbelievable. Sometimes it's difficult to trust it also, that whether it's really possible to learn astrology so quickly and so nicely, and you're able to predict. So the moment that session that ma'am took on karma, that was really an eye opener, because we've always heard that there are purva punya and past karmas and future karmas, but how it all links up and how it affects your today's life is really incredible. It was really an eye opener. The other thing, I think I started. I looked at somebody's chart, I think about a week into the program, and I told him, I said, if you look at music as there was some connection between moon and 11th house of his, and I said, you anything creative that you do is going to give you um, gains. And he didn't believe me at that time, and he went to a Vedic astrologer, and the Vedic astrologer actually told him the same thing. So it was a moment of it was a proud moment for me as well, that just within 7 days I was able to say that to him. So that has really it has stayed with me. But thank you for organizing and for conducting this course so beautifully, to all the teachers, and of course to Guruji as well. Thank you.